Imagine waking up to soft morning light, parked beside a quiet mountain lake. You slide open the door, step outside with a warm cup of coffee, and everything you need is already right behind you. Comfort, privacy, and smart design, all packed into one perfectly sized camper van. No hotels, no schedules, just freedom on your terms. But what if a camper van could surprise you? Not with size, but with hidden luxury, clever engineering, and features you would never expect in this class. Today, you're about to see exactly that. This is a 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600LE, an innovative camper van that hides a captain's seat, offers a large hotel-style shower, and proves that smart design matters more than extra length. And by the end of this video, you might seriously question whether you even need a bigger motorhome at all. Welcome back to the channel. If you love modern camper vans, smart layouts, and vehicles built for real travel, you're in the right place. The Pössl Summit Shine 600LE has always been known for efficiency and solid build quality, but for 2026, Pössl has refined the design even further, improving comfort, usability, and everyday living. This camper van is clearly made for travelers who want freedom without compromise, couples, solo explorers, or weekend adventurers who want comfort, privacy, and easy driving in one smart package. From the outside, the Summit Shine 600LE looks clean, modern, and confident. It's built on a proven European van platform, which means smooth handling, a stable ride, and excellent road manners whether you're cruising the highway or winding through small village streets. The paint finish feels premium, the graphics are subtle, and the overall design avoids being flashy. This is a camper van that blends when you want it to, yet still looks purposeful and well-designed. Practical features stand out immediately, like the large side awning for outdoor living, the wide sliding door for easy access, and clean body lines that help reduce wind noise while driving. Everything about the exterior feels efficient and intentional. Step inside, and you immediately notice how well the space is planned. This is a 6-meter camper van, but nothing feels tight or awkward. The layout flows naturally from front to back, creating a sense of openness you don't expect in this size. Every inch is used with purpose, and that's where the Summit Shine really separates itself from the competition. One of the most surprising features appears right at the front, the hidden captain's seat. At first glance, it looks like a normal seating area, but with a simple adjustment, the seat rotates and transforms into a full, comfortable lounge chair. This adds a whole new level of comfort inside the van, making it feel more like a small living room than a typical camper van. It's perfect for reading, relaxing, or even working on a laptop during long stays or rainy days. The main living and dining area feels open and inviting, thanks to large windows that bring in plenty of natural light. The seating cushions are supportive and comfortable, ideal for long evenings inside. The table is well positioned and adjustable, making it easy to enjoy meals, plan routes, or work remotely. Overhead cabinets provide plenty of storage, and the materials feel modern, durable, and easy to maintain. This space isn't just for quick stops. It's designed for real daily living. Moving into the kitchen, you'll appreciate how practical and usable it feels. There's enough countertop space to actually prepare meals, not just heat something up. You get a multi-burner gas stove, a deep stainless steel sink, and soft closed drawers that hold cookware and utensils securely. Everything is placed within easy reach, so cooking doesn't feel cramped or stressful. A generously sized fridge supports longer trips, meaning fewer grocery runs and more time enjoying the journey. This kitchen proves that camper van cooking can be comfortable and enjoyable.
Then there's the bathroom, one of the biggest highlights of the Summit Shine 600LE. In many camper vans, the bathroom feels like an afterthought, but here it's genuinely impressive. The large shower offers enough space to move comfortably, with solid walls, good drainage, quality fixtures, and proper headroom. It feels more like a compact home bathroom than a typical van setup. This makes a huge difference for long trips or full-time travel, turning daily routines into something easy and comfortable rather than rushed or inconvenient. At the rear, the camper van features twin longitudinal beds, a layout many travelers prefer for its comfort and practicality. You don't have to climb over your partner at night, and each bed offers good length and support for proper sleep. The mattresses feel designed for real rest, not just occasional use. Underbed storage provides plenty of room for luggage, outdoor gear, or even folding bikes, while overhead cabinets add extra storage without making the space feel closed in. It's a bedroom that feels calm, functional, and well thought out. Technology and daily usability are also clearly a priority. Inside, you'll find LED ambient lighting that creates a warm atmosphere in the evenings, along with USB charging ports for modern devices. Efficient climate control and smart power management systems support both campsite stays and off-grid travel. Everything feels designed to support real-world use, whether you're out for a weekend or on the road for weeks at a time. One of the biggest advantages of the Summit Shine 600LE is how easy it is to drive. At 6 meters long, it fits comfortably into regular parking spaces and handles city traffic with confidence. On the highway, it feels stable and smooth, and in tighter areas, it remains easy to manage. You don't feel like you're driving a large motorhome. Instead, it feels like a well-balanced, refined van. That means less stress behind the wheel and more freedom to explore places larger RVs simply can't reach. What truly makes the 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600LE special isn't just one feature, but how everything works together. The hidden captain's seat adds real comfort. The large shower transforms daily life on the road. The twin beds improve sleep quality, and the overall layout feels intentional rather than forced. This campervan proves that smart design matters more than size. Now I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you choose a smart 6-meter campervan like this, or do you still prefer a larger motorhome? And what matters more to you, having a big, comfortable shower or extra living space? Let me know in the comments below. The 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600LE isn't about showing off. It's about waking up comfortably, cooking without stress, enjoying a proper shower, and driving wherever the road takes you. It's made for travelers who want freedom without frustration and luxury without excess. If you believe travel should feel simple, flexible, and personal, this camper van truly deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this detailed look at modern campervan design, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road. Minibus Sparkles.